Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power. This is where most failures hide. Unplug the console and verify the wall outlet with another device because a dead outlet mimics a dead Xbox. Once done, examine the power brick LED and cables for damage, frays, melted insulation, or loose connectors mean replacement. If you have a spare cord or brick, swap it now to separate cord issues from console issues, and make sure the brick clicks firmly into the console before testing. Once power sources are ruled out, move to resets and signs. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds, waiting 30 seconds, then restarting. This clears transient faults. Next, clear dust from vents and fans using short bursts of compressed air. Dust causes overheating and prevents start. While starting, listen for fans, drive spin, or chirps, and watch ring or LED patterns because they reveal whether the motherboard or power subsystem is failing. You finish by addressing hardware fixes. If the console remains unresponsive, open the case and reseat the internal power connector and replace the external power supply module if its LED was absent. This targets the most common faults. If the fault persists, professional motherboard repair or reflow is an advanced option because improper heat can cause further damage. Make sure to also test with a different display and disconnect USB devices. Sometimes peripherals prevent a full boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.